In this video, we're going to checking out 5 best push-to-connect fittings you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly, reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best push-to-connect fittings in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is TAILONZ pneumatic male 1/4 inch push-to-connect fitting. If you're working with air systems, pneumatic setups, or simply building out your shop's compressed air network, the TAILONZ pneumatic male straight 1/4 inch tube ODX 1/4 inch NPT thread push-to-connect fitting PC 1/4 N2 pack of 10 is a no-brainer addition to your toolbox. These fittings offer an excellent combination of ease of use, durability, and affordability, making them ideal for both DIY projects and professional installations. The fittings are made of durable brass and plastic materials that feel robust and capable of withstanding frequent use in shop or garage environments. The brass threads are well machined and grip firmly without cross-threading. The body is designed to handle standard working pressures for pneumatic tools and air systems. These aren't flimsy connectors. They're solid, functional parts you can trust for everyday use. Getting 10 connectors in a pack at this price point is a great value. Whether you're outfitting a new workshop or just need backups for repairs or upgrades, having multiple fittings on hand saves time and money in the long run. It's also helpful that they come neatly packaged, which makes storage and organization simple. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional working with pneumatic systems, this 10-pack is a smart, affordable investment that delivers on quality and convenience. Our second best push-to-connect fittings is CheeMuii 1/4 inch push-to-connect fittings. If you're looking to upgrade or repair your air brake system or any industrial pneumatic setup, the CheeMuii 43 PCS Brass Dotty air brake line fittings kit is an excellent choice. With a well-rounded selection of 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch push-to-connect fittings and NPT threaded adapters, this set offers solid versatility, quality craftsmanship, and convenience in one neat package. CheeMuii doesn't cut corners on quality. These fittings are made from solid brass, which means they're built to last and hold up well in demanding environments. The threads are clean, well-machined, and free of burrs, which ensures a reliable and leak-free seal when paired with PTFE tape or thread sealant. In my experience, the push-to-connect ends grab onto tubing securely and don't slip, even under high-pressure use. They're DOTI approved, which is crucial for safety and compliance in air brake systems. This 43-piece kit comes with everything you'd need for a variety of airline installations and repairs. It includes a mix of straight, elbow, T, and union fittings, all precisely machined to fit standard DOT air brake tubing. The inclusion of multiple sizes 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch makes this kit compatible with many common truck and trailer air brake systems, which is a big win for fleet maintenance or DIY truck owners. Third pick in our list is mankk 53 PCS Quick Connect Push-to-Connect Fittings. If you're looking for a complete and versatile set of water tube fittings for your home plumbing, RO, reverse osmosis system, or DIY water filtration setup, the JBT 1/4 inch OD Quick Connect Push-to-Connect Water Tube Fitting Set 24-pack is a smart and reliable option. All fittings are made of durable plastic, typically polypropylene or food-grade materials that are safe for potable water use. They feel sturdy in the hand and hold pressure well without leaking, provided the tubing is cut clean and inserted fully. The ball valves operate smoothly, giving you full control over the water flow without hassle. One of the standout features of this kit is the variety of connectors included. You get 24 total pieces with multiple types that cover nearly any plumbing scenario. T fittings for branching off lines, L fittings for clean 90-degree turns, I connectors for straight extensions, Y fittings for splitting lines, and even ball valves for quick shut-off control. The faucet connector and end caps are great additions, allowing easy integration with existing fixtures and secure line terminations. Whether you're installing a home RO water filtration system, connecting a water dispenser, or building out a hydroponic setup, this kit saves you from multiple trips to the hardware store. Number 4 in our side is CEKER 1/4, NPT push to connect air fittings. If you're in the market for reliable pneumatic fittings for your air tools, compressors, or automation systems, the CEKER 1/4 NPT push to connect air fittings 6mm tube OD 5-pack is a great product that delivers both convenience and durability. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or working in an industrial setting, these quick connect fittings make airline installations cleaner, faster, and more efficient. The fittings are made with high-quality materials, typically nickel-plated brass or a high-strength composite plastic, giving them both strength and corrosion resistance. The threads are well machined, allowing for tight, leak-proof connections to your equipment. The plastic push-fit ends grip the tubing firmly and can withstand regular use without loosening or breaking. From repeated connections to pressure changes, the CEKER fittings hold up extremely well over time, an important feature in any compressed air setup. This 5-pack includes multiple fittings, so you can install or upgrade several connections at once. The 6mm tubing size is common in many pneumatic systems, making these connectors highly versatile. Whether you're setting up airlines for small machinery, building a new airbrush setup, or replacing worn-out fittings on an air tool system, this kit gets the job done with minimal fuss. Because the NPT threads are tapered, it's recommended to use Teflon tape for a secure, leak-free fit, though that's standard for any NPT fitting and not a product flaw. Last in our best push-to-connect fittings list is Taiidaues Airline Tubing Kit Push-to-Connect Fittings. If you're looking for a comprehensive, durable, and user-friendly solution for setting up or repairing an air brake system or other compressed air applications, the Taiidaues Airline Tubing Kit is a smart investment. The 3/8" outer diameter nylon tubing is SAEJ 844 compliant, making it suitable for use in DOT-regulated air brake systems. This isn't just some flexible plastic hose, it's a high-strength, pressure-resistant material built to handle the demands of automotive and industrial air systems. The nylon holds its shape well and resists kinks, even when bent around tight corners. It's also resistant to oil, chemicals, and weather conditions, making it great for use in trucks, trailers, or shop environments where reliability is critical. One of the most appealing aspects of this kit is that it's a complete 29-piece set, meaning it includes not only the tubing itself, but also a wide selection of push-to-connect fittings. These fittings are well machined, easy to install, and save significant time during setup or maintenance. The variety allows for different configurations, whether you're connecting straight lines, 90-degree turns, or creating branch points in your air system. The push-to-connect design eliminates the need for clunky clamps or special tools. Simply insert the tubing into the fitting and you're good to go.